fact, a magical session with Magic Leo.
which actually helped me a lot to influence people with a lot of ease.
This course will help me to understand my students better and to serve them in a better way.
Whenever I'm speaking with someone, right, I feel like I am in control, not them.
We never knew life was so simple. He made it very, very simple.
Power in his eyes are very, very amazing. Removing my phobia or fear about snake.
Really helped me to influence people.
Magic Leo. Now I'm hypnotizing my wife, my family persons, my friends to empower them, to heal them.
I learned how to hypnotize.
I'm a professor from a leading university.
NLP coach.
I'm Soshina. I'm a counseling psychologist by profession, and
I got to learn is there are so many misconceptions that most of the people have about hypnosis. All of those were completely broken.
Really changed my life.
this is what Magic Leo said was out of the box thinking.
He teaches everything in a very, very, very simplified way.
And I have learned so much from him that is beyond comparison to anything.
And the kind of the learning experience that Leo sir has given is enormous.
Parallel to TA, hypnotism and NLP.
Magic Leo is a noteworthy and most popular hypnotic trainer.
And is one of the best sessions we ever had here, and what a tribute to Magic Leo.
I don't have to think about things a lot. I just imagine and things happen.
Within a couple of days itself, you will find the result.
Friends, I want each one of you to invest in this learning and feel the difference in your life.
I must tell you, just go for it. It's 100% worth.
So I highly recommend everyone who really want to learn hypnosis.
Amazing session.
Thank you, Magic Leo.
Thank you so much, Leo.
Magic Leo is the best. He's the best hypnosis mentor I ever met.
So much Magic Leo.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much, Magic Leo sir.